Man. I can't believe it's 4th of July, and I'm still grounded. What should I do? I know. I will light fireworks inside the house. Ha 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 ha. I will find some in the kitchen. There they are. Now let's light them up. All right. Let's get out of here. Man. Look at those fireworks. Are they beautiful?
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know.
We better check our house. Oh my god. What happened to our house? Boris, we found these used fireworks. Wait a minute. The fireworks caused the fire. Yeah. Somebody must have light them up inside. It's dangerous to light them up. Oh my god. I think it was classic Caillou who did this. He is so grounded. Hey Dad. You like the stunt I just did? Oh. Classic Caillou. I can't believe you lighted up fireworks in our house. Now our house is destroyed because of you. This will cost $10,000 for the damages you have done. We are now gonna be homeless as fuck. That's it. You are grounded for life. Get out right now. Wah! Brr. It's so cold. Wah!